comes with springs. Hello people get paid. So I've been using this Mongseek FUN60 Ultra. This is metal and this is heavy, and this has TMR keys. It sounds very boring. It has no life to it. I got something that will enhance the sound. So this is XVX keycap set, and this way we have not one, not two, but three. If you can hear it, these are made of ceramic. So these I don't know how ceramic sounds, bro. These are not completely made of ceramic, only the outer shell is. अगर ये ज़्यादा भारी हो गया, and these are TMR keys, very precise and very sensitive to pressure. Automatically दबने लगा तो. Now that I have both the keys in my hand, this is definitely heavier than this. I think about twice or more than twice of this. So for comparison, this is how the enter sounds. This is how the shift sounds. This does make it sound better. When I bottom out on the enter, it is normal, but when I bottom out on the shift, it feels like it is sending a little shockwave to the table. I'll take this moment and show you how the TMR keys that I have with the Mongseek FUN60 Ultra look like. And the lucky thing is that these are my favorite color. If you can invest more than a keyboard into keycaps, then I think you should do it.